Yeah, this is my outfit. I'm going to go way up to there. So let me just try. Finally, after a long wait, I got my spot. I'm confused between this. It's been fun. It's sweet. I have this thing for seasonal fruits. Now let's see how is it. Good morning, guys. Today I'm heading out for a very good adventure. Today is a holiday, and I thought, why don't I take you guys to some new places? So I'm heading out towards the college gate, and my cab is already there. But what about I show you guys a quick outfit check for the day? Shall we? My outfit. A lot of you have suggested me that when you travel, instead of voiceover, why don't you give us a live narration? And that's exactly what I'm trying to do. I hope this is going to be a very fun video for every one of you. And let me keep the place a surprise till we reach there. So till then, see you at the destination. So right now I'm taking a break, and since I've already taken coffee in the hostel, I'm going with Limca. And if you want to see the places around, I'll just show you. So I'm on halfway through my journey, and I just have to stop because the view is just too beautiful. And do you know where my destination is? I'm going to go way up to there. Yeah, I guess the clouds is so thick that you can't see the top. Okay, let's try zooming it. Beautiful. Guys, you just can't believe what I found. You know, when you're traveling on mountains and when you get Maggie, that feeling of hotness. Just look at this beautiful steaming Maggie. Mmm, it's really good. Mmm, so good. Lost Falls. Now, let us go and see how big or small the waterfall is. So this is the waterfall that I was talking about, and it's looking really pretty. So this is my next stop, and you can see me behind the beautiful tea garden, and it's so mesmerizing. Just look at this beautiful view, and you can literally see the clouds. I will show you one more direction. Just look at this direction, okay? Look at the clouds behind and the terrace where the tea farming is done. I think I will taste one tea leaves. Because you know, they say that it's very good in antioxidants. So let me just try. Yeah, it's a bit bitter. But I just plucked it with my own hands and I tried it. This is what living your life about. So peace out, girls and boys. Let's head to the next destination. It's a very, very beautiful place. And this is the beauty of Coonoor. And yeah, my destination was Coonoor, and I have been telling you guys that I won't tell you where I was going and I will show you only when I reach. And here is the point, Dolphin's nose. So finally, after a long wait, I got my spot in the tip of the nose of Dolphin. Let me flip my camera and show you the background. Just look at the monkey. He's just having a very good time in the mountains and the greenery. Healthy monkey. Then it went away. So from the top, that was the point that I was explaining, the tip which looks like a dolphin's nose, that was there I was standing a few moments ago, and now I'm on top and I'm showing you around. So behind me is Coonoor town. As you can see, those shimmering, glimmering over there is Coonoor town. And here I am filming myself. Mad chocolate factory. So let's go inside and see what does it have in store for me.
Plain vanilla chocolates.
Plain
Pista wala.
pista flavor,
Almonds.
almonds, and then dark chocolate. Okay. I'm confused between these two. One is almond flavored and one is pista. But to be on the safe side, I think I should go with the pista. So this is the famous spot called Lamb's Rock, and as usual again all I can see is clouds behind. So this is the spot where a lot of people take their photos and videos. So I'm taking a video here. So let's see what's in the signboard over here. Leave nothing except your footprints. Take nothing except your photographs. Thank you. That's exactly what I've been doing. So this is Lamb's Rock. So this is all the way up that I climbed, and now I have to climb all these steps down. Phew! So now I'm going to have a butter corn because I'm really hungry. Here comes my butter corn, and it looks yummy. It's sweet and it's flavorful. It's really good. It's butter corn, by the way, not the masala corn. Now I am on my way back, so I thought, what about I buy some tea for myself, since I've come to a place where you have been seeing a lot of tea plantation. So this is the place that I've decided to buy some tea for myself. Singara Tea Garden Tea Factory Outlet. So it says Taj Silver Rock tea, spices, oils and chocolates. So let's begin with the tea. So I'm going to do some tea testing over here. Green tea.
कौन तो बीच में बटर है ना इसको तो
Yeah.
सिर्फ ये बट निकाल के सनलाइट पर ट्राई करेगा ये धूप में सुखाने का ट्राई सारा
हाँ.
कैसा ट्राई करने के देखिए पहले गर्म पानी
And this is going to be a whole lot new experience for me. This is chocolate tea. You know when this will be so good, like in evening when you come home very tired from office, you just have this and this will take you in another world.
चॉकलेट को नेचुरल कोको सीड मिक्स करके
Yeah.
इसका टेस्ट
Yeah, this one is very good. No, only one.
है फर्स्ट कोल्ड टी
हाँ. So finally I'm taking two. One is masala tea. This is for my father who loves tea a lot, and this is for myself, the green tea. Thank you. So here comes our beautiful rambutans, and with it, it's the beautiful mangosteens. You know, I have this thing for seasonal fruits, and they are just so juicy and tasty. And then we also have some strawberries here. Pretty fruits. How much per kg? 250. 250. And mangosteen?
300
And how much this one? Huh? How much? 270. So this is where I'm going to have my dinner for today. It says I love Tamilnadu 43, homemade Tamilnadu. So this is the inside of the place that where I'm going to have my lunch come dinner, because I was so absorbed in exploring the places that I almost skipped my lunch. So here comes my hot veg manchow soup. Now let's see how is it. The hill station was so cold, and when you get this hot soup, it just makes you feel so warm and good at the same time. Now let's move ahead with my main course. As I have said earlier, I have ordered myself very delicious looking paneer noodles. And here's my mushroom Manchurian with gravy. So let me take it. It seems pretty hot. Okay, let's have it. Noodles with mushroom Manchurian in one bite. So guys, I will finishing my meal in a while, and I have just hardly 1 hour left to cover to reach back to my college, and my battery is also now like in 18%, so I will better conserve it. And all the journey I've vlogged it, so I think I can like wave off my bye for today's vlog. So see you guys in the next vlog, and don't forget to hit the subscribe, share it with your friends, and leave some comments or any questions that you feel like asking. I would surely respond to your comments. Till then, bye.